Capsule Wardrobe, Fall 2020, Capsule Wardrobe, Autumn 2020. Yeah, same difference. Anyway, this is the items I have decided that we could put together for October to wear very comfortably, very easily in the current lifestyle we're currently, most of us, accommodating for our Autumn 2020. So I thought this time, just to get us going, I would also put a few outfit ideas together for that first week in October. So it'll give you an idea of what to wear in that first week or two in October before my outfit video comes out. So the way I do my capsule wardrobe is I gather about 27 items for the month, and that leaves me room to add things to the capsule to bring it up to about 37 as the weather changes or the lifestyle changes, and I can see how the vibe of the month is panning out. Generally, I have not used 37. I have not added another 10. The 27 has worked. I have added 1 or 2 as I've worked my way through the month. So let's see what 27 items I have picked for October. Starting with tops, I've cut down on t-shirts. I'm going to put in just 2, I can't believe it's only 2 actually, but 2 short sleeve t-shirts, one grey, and this one's got the Be Kind print on it. Now I put this in the capsule for September, didn't actually wear it, so I do want to wear it. I'm hoping for some weather appropriate in October that I can. And I think a white t-shirt will be useful as well. So a white and grey t-shirts are going in, and my Mauvette Stitch Fix long sleeved stripy top is going to go in as well. So that's 3 casual tops. That might not be enough, but we'll see how the month pans out, and I can add a few more in. I'm thinking, you see, I'll be wearing jumpers more than I will be short and long sleeve t-shirts. So limiting it at the moment to 3 of those. Then I have got some sweaters. In the UK we see jumpers. This is a Marks & Spencer's collection jumper I've had a few years, and it's a nice sort of caramel colour. This is a Banana Republic sweater or jumper that's got some writing on it just for interest. I think that would be quite versatile, and it's not that thick as well, so it's possibly that right temperature that will actually be that good layering item, that good top item to wear instead of a t-shirt when you just want something a little bit warmer but not hugely warm. So I'm thinking a thin knit sweater, again in navy. This is a plain one, this one's v-neck, and I think that I could wear that over a t-shirt, or I could wear it just as a knit. That's 2 navy knit. I'm adding another sweater. This one is Jules. It's new, it's got the label on it. It came from either Stitch Fix or Lucky Aero box. Nice autumn colours, and again that would be a nice useful knit in the jumper, sweater knit in the autumn. This is quite an old, and I actually thrifted this a few years ago, or got it from a charity shop, as we say here. Just a jumper, and what's the brand? I don't even know. Oh, Jack Wills is the brand, and it's a nice sweater. I think it's got a good shape. It'll go well with joggers and so on. So I am adding that in as well. That's a good everyday sweater that I'd wear around the house. Be very practical. Autumn's the time for plaid, isn't it? So dig out your plaid. I'm adding a red plaid shirt. It's an H&M blouse I bought 2 years ago. I did a video on it when I bought it. It's a little bit see-through, so it needs a camisole underneath. We're at 10. 2 pairs of jeans, dark wash jeans I'm using. 1 flared, 1 roll-up, turn-up, straight leg turn-up jeans, and a pair of a couple of years old H&M flared jeans. Be practical and useful. For casual wear and sort of comfort wear, a pair of burgundy stretchy trousers with a pattern on. The pattern could be problematic. We'll have to see if I've got enough tops in my capsule to actually get use out of these. If not, I'll have to add some in, won't I? But yeah, so stretchy, burgundy, rust-coloured, patterned, comfortable trousers. Navy Stitch Fix Mauvette joggers. You remember these from the spring and early summer. I wore these a lot. These are going to be very comfortable for this time of year, for October, before we get into the really cold weather. So navy joggers. If I go out, I may want to use some green pleather jeans. These I got in a Lucchiero box. They're by a brand called Only, so they're going. In September, I wore this skirt. I added a little capsule. I want to try wearing it with jumpers, sweaters, and also boots as well. So I'm going to, and it's quite a thick skirt, so I can get away with that, even though it's a light colour, and I just want to try that out, try styling it. So I'm putting this into the capsule to wear it more in the autumn. So the other ways I can use it. Another skirt going in is this leopard print skirt. I put it into my September capsule. This was in my September capsule. I haven't got around to wearing it yet. It's going to go into my October capsule, so as I can try to wear it with some pleather jackets and some boots, and find ways of styling what would really be a warm autumn skirt, style it more for cooler autumn days. Leopard print blouse that was in my September capsule. This matches, it's the same set as the skirt, so I can put the two together, make it a dress, and this is kind of, I want to have a bit of a play wearing that with a leather jacket and with boots. As a blouse that I got in either a Stitch Fix or Lucchiero box. Oh, Lucchiero, it's by a brand called Villa, so I know that's Lucchiero. And it's eyelet, but it's got a nice back on the, buttons on the back, nice feature there, and eyelet design here. I will think this will look nice with a jacket over the top, or if I'm in a bar or something, a pub, and it's hot, I can take that off and I've got a nice feature at the back and so on. I think that would be a nice, useful, going out blouse. This blouse that I got in a Stitch Fix box, which is by Mango, and it didn't come with a camisole. It needs a camisole underneath it, so I hang the camisole with it. But I put it into my September capsule and I didn't actually get around to wearing it at all. So that is going into October, because I think I could style that. Green trousers, I could wear it with jeans, and I could wear it with some layering items I've pulled out as well. So I think that would be quite a useful little pretty blouse to have in the capsule. We're at 20 items so far, which means I've got 7 layering items, or room for 7 layering items. Well, let's see what I can find. Uh-oh, I've got 9 here. That will take me to a 29-piece capsule. That's fine. That would just means that then I've got only room to add 8 rather than 10 during the month if I need. As long as I plan this well, I shouldn't need to. It should be fine. It just depends on how the month pans out, really. I think that a denim shirt is really useful. I've got quite a thin new look bomber jacket that I got a few years ago, and the colours just scream autumn to me. It's thin, so I can't use it in the winter. And as I said, the colours don't seem right for spring and summer. So I tend to wear this time of year, so I really need to use it in October. So I didn't use it in September, it didn't go into my capsule. So it's going to go in October's, and I hope I find some chances to wear it. I mean, it's going to go with the white t-shirts, it's going to go with the jeans, it'll go with the joggers. So I think it will be a versatile piece. It could go over the grey jumper. I did get last year from Costco the brand's Jean-Pierre. Anyway, this leopard print cardigan from Costco. Now, I have been wearing this. Last year I was wearing it, after I bought it, I was wearing it for work. I was wearing it with a black skirt quite a bit for work. Obviously I'm working, but I'm not going into the office. We're not going to, we've been told all to work at home again, once again, by Boris, but we weren't going back to work anyway. The office work, we're all working at home in my company. So I think this will be a great item to try, take it out of my office clothes pile and move it into at home clothes pile and going out home, collection. So I think this is going to be a great item to try styling over October. And if I don't get round to it, I will move it on to November. But I can see some uses for this. So this is going to go in as a layering item. And autumn and fall are the time for leopard print. I just love leopard print that time of year. I really do. Working from home as much as I am, I do need a cosy sweater for the chilly mornings, and during the day it's going to get colder now. I won't necessarily have the heating on because it'd be expensive. I do need my barefoot jeans cardigan. So this is just going to stay in the capsule. It's staying in there and I will be wearing it and I will be showing you, and I'm sorry about that. No, I'm not. I'm not sorry about that. It's lovely, it's cozy, it's a nice neutral, it's a good shape. So no, I'm not sorry about that. You might be, but I'm not. I'm going to keep the Jules safari jacket in because we may have some warm October days. It does happen. And this would be a good layering piece with the colours I've got here. So I probably won't be using this in November. I can carry on using it in October. I'm just using it differently. I know in September I wore it a fair bit. With this collection of clothes, I've got different ways of wearing it. So this is going back into the capsule for October. Now, bringing out a bit of heavy duty layering items. A leather jacket, Massimo Dutti, and this is brown. It's a really dark brown. So I'm not moving on to the black. I haven't got any black jeans in here. No, we'll leave that till November. Great, I think, for the autumn. And it's warm. Being real leather, it's going to be warm as well. So I can wear a light raincoat over it to stop rain, and have this as my layering warmth item underneath. So brown leather jacket. Look at this. This came in one of my boxes. Is it, can't remember if it's Lucchiero or Stitch Fix. What's the brand? Laura Jo Paris. No, I can't remember. Anyway, I've got some items here from Stitch Fix box and my Lucchiero box. If you're interested in subscribing to either of those boxes or both of the boxes, if you open up Show More, there will be a discount link. So do explore those links. See if you want to give them a go. Look at that colour. And so I am going to be using this. I've been waiting for the weather to get cool enough to be able to wear it, and the possibilities of going out as well, so I can wear it. But they're diminishing now. Want this in my capsule as a layering item. This one's a bit wacky. This is a US Army surplus jacket, and I bought it from a sort of like an Etsy company that they buy these army surpluses and they sort of put this sort of embroidery on it, sort of emblems, like the sequins at the back. Talking of which, sequins are current. They're very, very on trend. Leopard print's on trend, navy's on trend. I've got some navy there, I've got leopard print there, I've got a bit of sequins there. Camo just screams autumn for me anyway. And it's got these pretty buttons on it too. There, I'll show you those buttons there down. So there's a feminised camo, and it's slightly thicker than the Jules safari jacket. So it will be a good weight and level of warmth, I think, for the autumn. John bought me these labels that you just, because the look, it's still got the Velcro there, you know, but you can buy these stickers from Amazon. So incredible, isn't it? So he bought me these stickers, so I've put them on. Talking of Stitch Fix, as I did just now, this is an editor's cut blazer in burgundy, and I bought this from the Stitch Fix box that came last year. I wore it for work. That was my idea, a nice blazer for work. Well, I'm not going into the office anymore, so I'm going to be wearing it now this time of year out with jeans, and find ways of, you know, wearing it in my current new lifestyle. So now let's try to put together a first week's worth of outfits for us. Now I want to be practical when I do this, and I'm not thinking of a mix match, huge mix match of clothes in that first week or any particular week, because we've got to think about our washing as well. And if we wear different bottoms every day and different tops every day, you're going to have a pile of partly dirty clothes that you're not getting a full dirt out of it or dirt wear out of it, but so it's not ready for the wash, but at the same time it's not clean. Be practical about putting these items together, because that's real life. At the end of the day, this is my channel's about real life, real outfits that are practical, and mostly because of our lifestyle at the moment, mostly for us to be in the house and at home. So plaid shirt, flared jeans. Now let's take those same flared jeans, so then we get the wear out of them before they go in the wash, and let's wear this H&M blouse, the navy blouse there, and put that with the flared jeans. Then I think we can squeeze another day out of those jeans before they go in the wash. Let's use a white t-shirt and see how double denim would look. I think we could get away with it because it's different shades of denim. I think we can get away with that. And we squeeze another day out of those flared jeans, do you think? No, let's move on to joggers. Now let's take that white t-shirt again. Use the navy joggers use the navy joggers and add the bomber jacket. And I think that will look good. That's 4 outfits, still with the joggers. Then the mauvette top would go well with the joggers. I know it will because I've worn this in a previous videos. You'll have seen that. I know it works. I know it looks good with the joggers. Both the joggers and this mauvette, it's just, they just go so well together. So we've got 2 jogger looks. Let's find a third Be Kind t-shirt. We'll do that. We'll do that. Be Kind t-shirt. No, I know for the joggers, I want to try the leopard print. I want to have this cardigan done up because it's a crew neck. You can do that, done up, and wear that with the joggers. So leopard print cardigan done up with the joggers. This is a little bit wacky and I don't know if it's going to work, but I want to try these trousers with that top. I want to try that. Going to the pub outfit, just in case I go out for an evening, just in case. Go to the pub at the weekend, just in case. We need to have an outfit planned, I think, if I'm doing this for you, if I'm giving you 7 days worth of ideas. I want it to be the leopard print. Now, if you've got leopard print dress, fine. If you've got leopard print skirt or a leopard print blouse, whatever. But I want to use my leopard print skirt and top together with the brown moto and boots. That's what I want to do. If I have an opportunity to do something in which I've got to dress up or dress up smart casual type thing. So that is 7 days worth of outfits to get you going in that first week of October. Hope that was useful and I'll see you in another capsule video.